Brody, this is Nana with your first book on my 1, 2, 3 numbers. Take a peek. Oh, there's one tiger. Slide it over. One tiger. And 2 rain boots. Slide it over. 2 rain boots. Now I can turn these big pages. Here we go. Hold on, buddy. Oh, 3 butterflies. Do you see that? 3 butterflies, 4 frogs, 6 gifts, 7 buckets, and 8 toothbrushes. I think. I love you, grandson, with all my heart. I hope to see you soon. Love your Nana. Oops, off.